Welcome to AutoTextMe integration training. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how a work order built in Tekmetric will transfer into a digital work order within AutoTextMe. We've built our ticket, just a typical oil change and transmission fluid drain and fill for Joe Palooka's 2002 Odyssey. We'll go into AutoTextMe here and we'll go into the work order, and it's going to prompt you if you want to generate this from the ticket, and that's the actual RO number here in Tekmetric. I'm going to say yes to that, and as soon as I do, it'll generate the work order exactly as we have it. You can do this before the work is authorized. That ticket in Tekmetric has not been authorized yet, so be aware of that. This is possible to do in that way. This also will self-audit itself too. If you show all and you see everything here, let's say for some reason we only had the engine oil on the initial transfer, you would be able to hit regenerate, and that's going to go and audit this information, and it'll replace anything that was missing from the ticket. Here you'll see the transmission drain and fill now again with the oil change. That's all there is to it. If you add additional jobs, you hit regenerate at the top here and you're good to go. That's all there is to it. Thanks.